My name is Gabriel Rodriguez and I'm an apprentice electrician. I found FSG through my teacher in high school. He said they had an opening for the summer job and I took it. To be an apprentice, you learn from your journeymen. They teach you. You're not allowed to do as much as a journeyman, but you're also learning, you're doing small things, you're watching everything, make sure by the time you're a journeyman, you know what you're doing. I decided to go with Propel to continue my education after high school. I'm currently in year 2 and I am going to year 3. The benefits I see going to Propel is they teach you the actual science behind it, on why things work or how it works. And I like that because sometimes you actually do want to know how it actually is working, not just to do it. What I would tell someone about going into an electrical trade is that it's not like any other job where you just go sit there in the office, do something different every day. What I like about FSG is that the culture here is very different. It's a family. Like everybody treats each other with respect. You get to come here and not stress about it every day. I hope to be a master electrician, and that's my dream.